This week on TJP News, high hopes for the healing power of cannabis, hit the road without getting hacked, and a big payday for Payroll. I'm Jeff Hopkins. Let's take a closer look at the top stories from the startup nation. Pharma companies are high on the potential of creating drugs from cannabis. For years, scientists have been buzzed about the potential of cannabis and THC. And now, after facing challenges of creating consistent and patentable drugs from the plant, pharmaceutical group Endless Potential Molecules, or EPM, has created synthetic cannabis acid molecules. The company now has 14 patented lab-made molecules soon to be tested in humans. Their first targets are inflammatory bowel disease and psoriasis, two hard-to-treat autoimmune diseases. The psoriasis formulation is expected to go into a phase 1 clinical trial in healthy volunteers in late 2022. A third future target will be acute respiratory distress syndrome, like that seen in severe COVID-19 patients. EPM, which has offices in the US and Israel, may go public on the Tel Aviv Stock Exchange later this year. Worried about hackers targeting the computer in your car? Upstream, the Israeli vehicle cybersecurity startup has a solution: data analytics for connected vehicles, and count some of the world's leading automotive original equipment manufacturers, Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers, and mobility service providers as clients. And they've just driven home a $62 million Series C round of funding. Upstream's solutions already protect millions of vehicles on the road today against cyber threats, and the system also offers quality enhancement and data monetization opportunities. The company is speeding ahead, having tripled their valuation in each round and expecting to become a unicorn in the next one. Looks like the payer just got paid. Israeli startup Papaya Global has raised a $250 million Series D round, more than tripling its valuation to some $3.7 billion in just 6 months after securing $100 million in a Series C funding. Earlier in the year, Papaya Global's CEO and co-founder Einat Gez said that the company would come very near to annual recurring revenue of $100 million, and added that the company was planning an IPO within 24 months, depending on the market situation. Papaya Global claims to be reinventing the global payroll payment and HR industries with an automated, cloud-based software-as-a-service platform that provides a comprehensive solution, from onboarding employees to ongoing management and cross-border payments, one that meets privacy standards and security regulations. Papaya's services are used in over 140 countries, with teams in Israel, Australia, Ukraine, the United States, and the United Kingdom. Let's hope Papaya's new round of investment bears fruit. Are you interested in investing in Israel and the startup nation? TJP is the perfect investment vehicle. Visit thejerusalemportfolio.com for your stake in Israel's booming economy.